All right, so anyway, I got a screwdriver and we're gonna see what's in here. I'm just gonna put it in there and pop it. And we're gonna definitely need some batteries. They did not give us batteries. So as you can see, we're gonna need AAA, 3 A's. So I'm gonna grab those and we'll put them in. I'll show you guys. I had to use that little thing to do it. All right, so anyway, here's our batteries. You got a negative side, you got a positive side. Negative side always goes to the spring. So let's just push them in there if we can, if they fit. Stuff from China sometimes does not want to let you do what you need to do. And then we're in. All right, so there's the positive side. Let me spin this. There's a positive there, so negative, negative, positive, positive, just how it's supposed to be. And then we just go like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now we're ready to use that. All right, so here is the remote. We've already turned the light switch on. So if I press this button in the middle, the light will go on. Now, if you want to change the color of the light, I would press this. And it gives it a little bit different tone. You just got to kind of go through it. It's got a couple different ones. That is the more amber, right? If I want to turn it off, I could click here, right? So there's the fan and the light. If I go like that, it turns the light off. Right, to turn the fan on, let's put the light back on for a second. All right, to put the fan on, I press this button. All right, all of these are speeds. 1 is the lowest, 8 the highest. So let's go ahead and press that. And then if you look, it's spinning. To make it rotate, of course, you got to turn it on first, which it is on. Then I would do an angle on it by pushing this. And it gives me an angle. Now watch this. You see how it turns on an angle? Then I press this for that 360 rotation. That's how it works. Here, let me show you. You see how the fan's spinning now? Now I want to put it to an 8, so I'm going to press this. And that gives me maximum speed. You can actually hear it blowing like a son of a gun. All right, so now it's going to go around in a circle and it's going to hit every area. You follows me? And that's basically how it works. I mean, it's got a couple other different little things here that you can put timers on it. But the most important is that's the on button. There's an off button for both of them, fan and for the light. This is the off button for the fan, or the on button. That's the speeds right there. I got it on 8 right now, okay? And then this is change the angle, and this is for the 360 rotation. Now, if you just press this, it's not going to rotate. You got to turn it on, press this, and then press that to get the rotation. Remember, turn it on, press this, get the angle, then press that for the rotation. To pair this, when you first get it, you have to turn off the light, the power to it, turn the power on, count 10 seconds, and then what you're going to do is you're going to press the power button and just hold it until you see 2 flashes up there, and that pairs the remote with the light. And that's pretty much it right there. I mean, it does have some other things that you can do to it. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Like here, you want to get it less light, watch. You want more light? Here you go. So it changes, you see that? I don't know why they do that when you can just press this. I would just, leave it like that. I think that's the best. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.